Good morning, Facebook. How's everybody doing out there today? Dante Bueno, OnlyWoodFloors. I'm here in the beautiful city of Pasadena, and we are going to sand and refinish the original hardwood floors of this home. So, if you guys can see that house, but let me turn this thing around. I'm going to take you guys through. This is a big, major renovation. Homeowner just bought the home. As you can see, all the stuff in the background. They're doing a lot of fixing. The floors is part of it. So let me take you through, turn this around. That's that house. Beautiful house. So let me just take you guys through the steps real quick. Alright, so this is what we got. The original flooring. As you can see right there, there's a lot of wood we're going to have to replace. Got our guy a bundle just to start. The bundle is typically about 24 square feet, so good chance he's going to need a lot more. So, see that? Could see that at one point in time, they had some kind of divider here. So there's dark spots of water damage at some point in time. Well, let me take you to this next room, show you guys what we got. House is so big, it's almost like a maze. This is one room here. Closets there. And the homeowner hasn't decided yet, but they might do a installation here and put hardwood floor in here. As you can see, there's a lot of things that are going to need to be repaired. So I'll take you guys upstairs. So we're going to do these treads, just the treads. Homeowner is going to paint the risers, but take a look. All these steps. And got one room here. There's kind of a walk-in closet, more like it. Another one here. You see that dark spot? So dark spots, you never know if they're going to sand out until we start sanding. It could be anything. Could be water, could be pet urine. Water will typically sand out, but pet urine, 90% of the time it does, but sometimes it doesn't. It's just one of those things. And so you guys, this is kind of like a den right here that we got going. The Hummel. And this is the last room. But let me go ahead and show you this. You can see these floors got a lot of wear and tear on them. See all the gaps and all that. We're going to fill those with putty, sand this thing up really good. So that's what we're looking at. I'm going to turn this thing around. So homeowner hasn't decided whether they are going to go natural or stain yet, but they'll be here in a little bit, talk about it. We'll see what she wants to do, and we'll go from there. But I love these projects. It's a big project, but this just restores the whole way the house used to look 50, 60 years ago. So I'm excited. Everybody have a good one. You take care. I'll do a video update in a bit. Take care, everybody.